Hey guys, it's Ella
Ella's dad.
and today we are going to be playing What's Inside the Box, and I'm going to explain how you play it. So basically you have a box, you have a hole in the side, and then you like stick something gross in there, but you don't know what your partner has. So if you stick it in there and you touch it and you don't know what it is, well, and you can't.
You try to guess what it is.
Yeah.
If you can't, you can guess 2 clues, and if you cannot get it with the 2 clues, then you fail.
Yeah.
So, and we're going to do it 5 times, so we're going to see who can guess what each thing is. Ready?
You want to go first?
Okay. Stick your hand in the hole.
I'm scared.
Oh, sorry. Go ahead, stick your hand in the hole.
I'm scared. Is it alive? Oh, is it a wrench?
Nope.
I don't know what it's called.
How many guesses do you get?
I don't know.
You don't know what that's called?
Or I don't know.
Well, feel it.
I feel it. It's pointy. I have no idea. I give up. What is it?
Do you want a hint?
Yeah.
We get 2 hints, remember?
Okay.
You use it to tighten fasteners.
Is it I don't know. A screwdriver.
Yes, it is.
1 point for me.
Okay, so it's a screwdriver. Okay, so I got my blindfold. Get your thing ready.
I hope it didn't. Okay. There. Now you might have to go over so you can feel
Am I ready? Ew.
it.
What is it?
Did you want a hint? No, that's cheating.
You never said we can't smell it. Is it slime?
No.
Is it lotion?
No.
Germ-X?
No.
Give me a hint.
It's edible. Ugh, Dad, that's cheating.
Applesauce.
Well, you cheated.
All right.
Minus a point. But you were correct.
Okay. Put your blindfold on.
Okay, you can eat it. I can't get it on. Okay, are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
I'm scared again.
Come on.
Please don't tell me it's alive.
Okay, keep going.
I feel something slimy. Oh, it's
That's just the applesauce.
I don't wanna. Okay. Where's it at? Nothing?
There's something in there.
I don't feel it.
Well, grab it.
No.
You have to keep trying. Nothing's gonna hurt you that's in there.
Okay.
I saved the squirrel for last.
A cord?
Yep, first guess. All right, the
I
dad
guess
stuff is way
cords.
too easy apparently.
This is a cord. I don't know what to do. Okay. It's not. You can't taste it and you can't smell it.
Glitter,
No.
unicorn farts,
No.
sugar,
No. Well, yeah.
white sugar,
Yeah.
white granulated sugar.
It's sugar, Dad.
Checks out.
Awesome.
I need something to wipe my hands with your stuff. Well, get your thing on.
Sugar tastes good.
See, all my stuff is like true dad stuff.
My hair's caught in my There we go. Okay. Stop.
I don't know what happened.
What in the world is this? I have it. I don't know what it is. I want a hint.
A hint is used to hold things together.
I don't know. Is it a screwdriver?
No. We already did a screwdriver.
Oh yeah. Is it a nail?
No, you're close.
I have no idea. Is it
It takes 2 wrenches to tighten them together.
like those weird little round things that look like donuts?
Like washers? There's a couple washers on there, and they are used with this thing.
It's like a long stick. I don't know. I give up. What is it?
Give up?
Yeah.
That's a fail right there. It's a nut and bolt.
I had no idea. I don't know what a nut and bolt is.
Yes, you do.
Try to find a good one. This one might be a little too easy.
Yeah, they're all easy when I do it.
Okay.
Is it a squirrel?
No. You're squishing the box, Dad.
Can I sniff it?
No. It doesn't smell like anything, at least I don't think.
Is it a dead flower?
Yeah. What
Is
type?
it really?
What type?
What type? It's a rose.
What type of rose?
There's different types of roses?
Yes.
What are the different types of roses?
Do you give up? Do you give up?
A red rose,
No.
yellow rose,
No.
pink rose.
Yes.
All right.
It's a dead flower and it's the pink rose.
All you things are gross.
Yeah, I know. You smashed it all in there.
All right.
Like empty out the box.
You put your blindfold on.
I'm getting it on. Ah. It's hard getting the blindfold on. There. Okay.
This is going to be a hard one.
It better not be something that's alive. Is it alive?
I don't think so.
Dad, is it alive?
Not anymore. Go ahead, get in there.
No, I don't want to touch it if it was alive.
It's not alive. It was never alive.
Okay.
We had a few technical difficulties. The box is not fastened to the table, obviously. And it was just a little brush. That's it. Just a little cleaning brush kind of thing.
And I thought it was alive.
Ella touched it and it went crazy. So, what are you going to call that one? Did you win that one?
No. I gotta say I probably lost that one.
Yeah. So, okay.
Because
So we're doing all right. So
yeah.
let's go ahead and put something else in there, and I'll put my blindfold on.
Oh, I forgot it was working. I don't know what to do. Ooh, let's do this. This is the new thing I got. There. It's in.
Is it alive?
No. Just like,
Can I sniff it?
no, it doesn't smell like anything, at least I don't think.
Is it a pin?
What type?
Can it fly?
No.
Can I have a hint?
No, wait. It used to be on something that was living, but they created it into something else.
Dinosaur bone.
No. Why would be soft if it was a dinosaur bone?
Mm. Is it a feather pin?
Yes. It's a feather pin. I got you. Are any of your things alive?
Nope.
Neither am mine. You think you promised me I'm alive?
You got it?
Yeah.
Real dad stuff.
If there's something alive, I'm gonna scream. Oops.
Okay.
I'm scared.
It's really scary.
No, I don't want to do it.
Well, you have to.
No! I don't want
Well, I guess you can just forfeit then.
If it's something alive or something that was alive and now it's dead, I don't want to touch it.
It's not alive or dead.
Okay, good. Wait. I'm scared of this one.
Put your hand in there.
It's the box. Where's it at?
Get your hand in there already. Come on. Come on, man.
Oh my gosh, I'm scared of moving around. Stop.
Okay.
I don't wanna.
Put your hand in there.
Don't wanna. Ugh. I don't wanna. Is it a glove?
Nope.
Leaf?
Nope.
Is it fabric?
Yes. For what?
For something that you build on?
Kind of.
I have no idea. All I know.
What kind of fabric is it?
Soft, hard, strange. Oh, there's two of it.
Those are all different things. Soft, hard, strange, normal. What do you want? What else you got? This is great because from the camera I can see inside the box. So it's.
It feels like a horse.
It is a horse.
It is.
Yeah. It is felt fabric for a horse.
Oh.
And there's two pieces. You put them together for a mini pillow.
Oh.
Something every dad should have.
It kind of felt like a weird shape, and then I was like, it kind of feels like a horse.
If you are a dad of daughters, this is the kind of stuff you will find in your workbench toolbox when you go outside. So
That was in your workbench?
yeah, that was outside. That was in there. So
Strange.
okay. You got one more?
Yep. I have a really good one this round. Yours will. Oh no, it's so close on my phone. I can't get it. Come here. Okay, I got it. Why do I have it pointy? That's strange. Okay.
Can I go now?
Yeah. Don't squish them because it's gonna get the thing wet.
Is it food?
No, it's not edible.
Can I sniff it?
I mean, yeah, sure. This one does. You'll never guess it even if you smell it, so I let him.
It's part of a plant.
What type?
Cactus.
No.
Well, what are those little cactuses that don't have thorns? They're not actually cactuses.
I think they're. Well, if I tell you it, then you're gonna get disqualified.
Why? Is that what it is?
What type? You're rid of a cactus. Just what type of cactus?
A green one.
Of course it's green.
Oh.
But, like what type of cactus? There's different types of cactuses.
A non-thorny one.
Yeah, what's the name of it?
A non-thorny cactus.
No.
Did we have one of these in the house?
Yes. It was in the house.
I don't remember the name of them.
I don't either. I think.
Can I phone a friend? Can I call your mother?
Sure.
Succulent.
Is it a succulent?
Yeah. You got extra help, so you're minus 1 point.
Did you have? We had one of these in the house.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's fun.
So who won?
I don't know. How many did you get right?
I'm gonna go with I won.
I'm pretty, yeah.
Well, I had to
because-
phone a friend for the succulent, but you like threw the box off the table with the cleaning brush. So
I think we're tied.
I think we're even. So I guess you'll have to tune in next time to see what other things we can find in what's in the box.
I guess.
So what do you tell everybody now?
Thank you. Please subscribe.
Be sure to subscribe.
Yeah.
Hey, give it a big thumbs up.
Bye.
Bye.